Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your star mom here as always, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a very beautiful wrinkle free, acne free and a whitening glowing face using your tomatoes and your turmeric and also a lemon, your sugar, your milk and your coconut oil. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell beside, and do not forget to drop your comments down below. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. So first of all, we are going to be starting with cleansing our face, okay, using those tomatoes. I've already washed the tomatoes, so I'm going to start by cutting it into two parts. Sorry, I had to start a voiceover because my kids are making noise in the background. Okay, so there is our milk. Milk can be used as cleanser. As we all know, it's a lactic acid and it contains vitamin A, D, E, and K, even protein. Okay, and it makes it mild to be used as exfoliating agent or hydrating agent. Okay, yeah, I just applied my milk on my tomatoes, okay, thereby applying it on my face. Wow, at first it was so cold. If you notice my reaction in the video, okay, yeah, the milk also helps as good toner and for dry skin, as it also helps the skin to glow and help get rid of dark spots. Meanwhile, tomatoes are excellent source of vitamin C. So besides boosting our immune system, vitamin C can keep or help to stimulate collagen productions. Yep, as you can see, I'm applying it on my face in a circular motion. Tomatoes also contains other antioxidants that protect skin cells from damages caused by exposure to rays, yeah, UV rays. Okay, so it can also help to remove dead cells by exfoliating your skin the way I'm doing on this video. Okay, and it can also help to reduce the risk of sunburn. It can also help in moisturizing, toning and brightening the skin, okay, as tomato also prevents blackheads as it cleanses the skin very deeply, thereby removing blackheads and dead skins like magic. Okay, and it's also used to prevent acne and brightens dull complexions. So after cleansing my face, I allowed it to dry up. Okay, as you can see in the video, my face is dried. The tomatoes and the milk has dried up in my face. So I'll be going now to wash my face using a lukewarm water. Yep, so we are done with step 1. Okay, now we're going over to step 2, which is scrubbing our face using a sugar. In there is a sugar, as you can see, using the sugar and our tomato to exfoliate our skin by scrubbing it. Okay, so we are applying the sugar on the tomatoes. Okay, so you're going to scrub your face in a circular motion the way you see I'm doing in the video. So you can always add sugar on the tomatoes and continue scrubbing your face and your lips as well. It also serves as a natural remedy for pink lips. So you keep scrubbing your face in that way with the sugar and tomatoes, and don't forget to scrub or cleanse your under eye in case you're having a dark under eye. So don't forget that part, it's very important. The sugar really tasted so sweet. So after scrubbing our face with sugar and tomato, we're going to allow it to dry up. So while allowing the tomato to dry, I'm going to chop I'm going to eat my tomatoes because it's very good for the body. So we are still waiting patiently for the scrub to dry so that we can go and wash it off, then come for the step 3. Now it has dried and so sticky. As you can see, it's so sticky. So we are going to go wash it off. Wow, see what it look like. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, is the glow for me? Yep. So right now we are going over to step 3. Yep, which is the turmeric and milk with our lemon. So we're going to be taking our turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, then add 2 tablespoons of our raw milk. Okay, as you can see. Then it's time for our lemon. Okay, so I'm going to be squeezing in this lemon into our turmeric. Okay, now turmeric is very good for the body because it helps in skin whitening, reduces dark spots on skin, and also helps to reduce acne. Okay, and in case you have any scars, it also helps to remove the scars. Okay, and don't forget I said it lightens dark spots as well. So right now we are going to be applying it on our face using a brush. Yep, in that way we're going to be making a face mask. So we are going to apply this generously on our face and allow it to dry up.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there.
Then after a while, we'll go wash it off and come back for you to see the results. I'm sure you're going to like it.
Close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more.